So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all doing well. So today in this video we will going to see the basic construction of arm and its shapes and its form. And also we are going to see their names. And muscles names are not that important, but you need to know some of them. So without any time wasting, let's start the video. So to draw a arm, you need to know only these two shapes. First one is circle and second one is cylinder. Just put it together, just like I am doing here. So this is the basic construction for drawing arm. You might thinking, how do I know every muscle shape and form? So to understand that, you need to draw lot of arms. While practicing gesture, understand and draw every single muscle that you see in gesture. In reference, while drawing arms in shapes, you mainly see cylinders, triangles, and circles. Sometimes you will see rectangles also. So, for now, let's draw arm in perspective. So, while drawing arm in perspective, first create a box or draw a box and divide it into half. After that, do a basic construction. After that, add details. That's it. So now we will going to see their names. So we are going to see both side, front side and back side. So let's talk about the back side first. So the first muscle is deltoid. After that there is a triceps, and after that ridge muscle, extensor and flexors. You can't see biceps from the back side, so there is only triceps. So for the front side, everything will be same. The upper part is deltoid, and after that there is a biceps and triceps, and after that flexors and ridge muscles. So these are the names. I hope you understand that. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.